Ever bought something cool on a marketplace app? Maybe some unique handmade crafts or that vintage camera you've been hunting for. Behind the scenes of these transactions is a complex world of secure payments and smooth financial flow. But how does it all work? Today, we're diving deep into lemonway, a secret weapon for online marketplaces, and exploring how lemonway's power works to keep your marketplace purchases safe and efficient. The marketplace boom. Online marketplaces are exploding. From giants like Etsy to niche communities for collectors or hobbyists, these platforms connect buyers and sellers, offering a diverse range of products and experiences. But for these marketplaces to thrive, a crucial element needs to be seamless, secure, and reliable payment processing. The problem: friction in the flow. Imagine a marketplace where payments are clunky and slow. Buyers might hesitate to trust the platform, and sellers could face delays in receiving their hard-earned cash. This is where lemonway steps in. Think of them as the invisible plumbers, ensuring the financial flow within a marketplace runs smoothly and efficiently. Lemonway's power, a breakdown. So, how does lemonway's power work? Let's break it down into key functions. Secured payment processing. When a buyer makes a purchase on a marketplace powered by lemonway, the funds are securely held in a segregated account. This means the money doesn't go directly to the seller, but is held until the transaction is complete and the buyer is satisfied. This layer of security protects both buyers and sellers from fraud. Seamless fund management. Lemonway acts as a trusted intermediary, managing the flow of funds between buyers and sellers. Once a purchase is confirmed, the seller receives their payment, minus any marketplace fees. This eliminates the need for sellers to handle individual transactions, saving them valuable time and resources. Compliance champion. The world of online finance is heavily regulated. Lemonway ensures marketplaces comply with all the necessary regulations, including Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, checks. This gives both marketplaces and their users peace of mind, knowing everything is above board. Marketplace flexibility. Lemonway offers a modular payment solution, allowing marketplaces to choose the features they need. This flexibility caters to different business models, whether it's a simple marketplace for goods or a more complex platform with escrow services for higher value transactions. Beyond the basics, powering innovation. Lemonway doesn't just handle the basics. Their platform also supports innovative features that enhance the marketplace experience. Here are a few examples. Payout options. Lemonway allows marketplaces to offer a variety of payout options to sellers, including instant transfers, bank transfers, or even payouts in cryptocurrency. Dispute resolution. When disagreements arise between buyers and sellers, Lemonway's dispute resolution tools can help find a fair solution, minimizing disruption for the marketplace. Open banking integration. Through partnerships with open banking providers, lemonway can introduce faster and more secure payment methods for users. The benefits: a win-win for everyone. By using lemonway, marketplaces benefit from streamlined financial management, reduced risk of fraud, and the ability to focus on growing their platform. For sellers, lemonway ensures timely payments and secure transactions. And for buyers? They can shop with confidence, knowing their money is protected. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, the next time you browse a marketplace and hit that buy button, remember the invisible power of lemonway working behind the scenes. They are the silent heroes, ensuring a smooth and secure experience for everyone involved in the online marketplace ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy shopping.